Hello engineers and customers. This video will guide you on how to use the built-in oscilloscope in DSY software and demonstrate how to observe the influence of position loop gain parameters on the operating performance of servo motors via the oscilloscope. First, complete motor wiring and establish communication with the software. For relevant operations, please refer to our article, How to Use DSY Servo Tuning Software. After launching the software, click Connect to link the motor, then double-click to open the parameter list, where all adjustable motor parameters are displayed. Click the oscilloscope option on the left to enter the oscilloscope interface. Please first check the triggering conditions section, which defines the conditions for the oscilloscope to start signal acquisition. Next, look at the common channel section, which contains all parameters available for display on the oscilloscope. After completing the configuration, click Start Sampling and wait briefly. Then the waveform graph will be displayed. Take the position loop as an example. The primary observation parameter for this demonstration is position deviation. Follow the video steps to adjust the position loop gain under the gain parameter category to 3000, 1000, 500, 1000, and 500 respectively, and generate 4 sets of waveform diagrams. After generating 4 groups of waveforms, click History Waveform and check all 4 recorded waveforms. The position deviation waveforms under 4 different position loop gains are superimposed for comparison. From top to bottom, the 4 curves correspond to position loop gains of 3000, 1000, 500, 1000, and 500 inches sequence.